Welcome to TempCoder Tech. In today's video, we're zeroing in on one of Windows' most essential tools, Task Manager. Whether you're troubleshooting or simply monitoring system performance, knowing multiple ways to open Task Manager can save you time. Let's dive into all the quick methods. First up, the fastest way to access Task Manager, keyboard shortcuts. Simply press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to launch it instantly. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl+Alt+Del and then select Task Manager from the menu that appears. Next, use the Run dialog. Press Windows+R, type TempCoder, and hit Enter. This method is perfect when you're already in the habit of using the Run command for quick tasks. For those who prefer a command line approach, open Command Prompt and simply type TempCoder. Then, press Enter to launch Task Manager. PowerShell offers the same command line access. Open PowerShell, enter TempCoder, and press Enter to open Task Manager quickly and efficiently. You can also use Windows Search. Press the Windows key, type Task Manager, and hit Enter. Windows will quickly locate and launch the application. Another handy method is the Windows+X Quick Link menu. Press Windows+X and, if available, select Task Manager from the list of system tools. Note, this option may vary depending on your Windows version and settings. Finally, a simple mouse trick. Right-click on an empty area of your taskbar and select Task Manager from the context menu. While not a keyboard method, it's another quick and effective way to access the tool. That wraps up our comprehensive guide on launching Task Manager using multiple methods. Now you have every shortcut at your fingertips, whether it's via keyboard, command line, or quick menus. If you found these tips useful, hit subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and share the video with fellow tech enthusiasts. For more in-depth tutorials, visit TempCoder Tech and TempHack. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.